Hello students, after completing this true or false, come to the next side. What you have? Comprehension question number 2. Answer these questions in brief. This today we are going to write in our CW book. These 4 questions answer we are going to write in CW book. Let's start. Your first question is, why was Sweet Notes Orchestra in Pune? Why was Sweet Notes Orchestra in Pune? Sweet Notes Orchestra Pune में क्यों थी? Why was Sweet Notes Orchestra in Pune? So write the answer. The Sweet Notes Orchestra was touring India and had stopped in Pune for a performance at Bal Gandharva Auditorium. So Sweet Notes क्या क्यों आई थी पूना में? They were touring India, मतलब वो पूरे इंडिया में अलग अलग स्टेट्स में अलग अलग जगह पर घूम रहे थे, फिर रहे थे, राइट? एंड वो पुणे में आकर रुके फॉर व्हाट? फॉर परफॉर्मेंस. वेयर दे आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म? एट बाल गंधर्व ऑडिटोरियम. सो योर आंसर इज द स्वीट नोट्स ऑर्केस्ट्रा was touring India and had stopped in Pune for a performance at Bal Gandharva Auditorium. Once again repeat after me. Students मेरे पीछे रीड करो. WHY. Why? WAS was. SWEET sweet. NOTES notes. ORCHESTRA orchestra. INPUNE Pune. Why was Sweet Notes Orchestra in Pune? Students, remember to write SNO capital. Why? Because this is the name of a orchestra, name of a band. Then Pune. Pune is a name of a place. तो क्या आएगा? P capital. Remember to write SNO Sweet Notes Orchestra capital and Pune का P कैसे आएगा? Capital. Now let's see the answer. THE the, SWEET sweet, NOTES notes, ORCHESTRA orchestra was TOURING touring INDIA India and had STOPPED stopped in PUNE Pune for a PERFORMANCE performance at BALGANDHARVA Bal Gandharva AUDITORIUM Auditorium. The Sweet Notes Orchestra was touring India and had stopped in Pune for a performance at Bal Gandharva Auditorium. Students, just click S, N, O, I, P, B, G and A. These letters you are going to write capital because they are the nouns. ये वाले words name represent कर रहे हैं, noun represent कर रहे हैं, so you are going to write them as capital. Okay, now come to the next. What difficulties did Sunanda face while learning the violin? सुनंदा जी ने वायलिन सीखते वक्त कितने सारे परेशानियाँ फेस की, राइट? बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस की. कैन यू टेल देम? सी द आंसर. यंग सुनंदा, इट मीन्स छोटी सुनंदा, took some time to learn how to hold the violin properly under her chin. So in starting, the young Sunanda, what she had faced the difficulty. पहली डिफ़िकल्टी क्या फेस की उन्होंने? डैट हाउ टू होल्ड द वायलिन प्रॉपरली अंडर हर चिन. वायलिन ऐसे प्रॉपरली चिन के नीचे कैसे पकड़ते हैं? डैट शी फाउंड एज डिफ़िकल्ट. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट साइड. हर लेफ्ट शोल्डर वुड एक आफ्टर प्रैक्टिस एंड आफ्टर प्रैक्टिस हर शोल्डर्स दे यूज टू एक. सो रिपीट वंस अगेन. WHET what? DIFFICULTIES difficulties. DID did. SUNANDA Sunanda. FACE face. WHILE while. LEARNING learning the. VIOLIN violin. What difficulties did Sunanda face while learning the violin? Answer. Young Sunanda took some time to learn how to hold the violin properly under her chin. Her left shoulder would ache after practice. Once again, YOUNG young, SUNANDA Sunanda, TOOK took, SOME some, TIME time to L-E-A-R-N. Learn how to H-O-L-D. Hold the V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. P-R-O-V-E-R-L-Y. Properly. U-N-D-E-R. Under her C-H-I-N. Chin. Young Sunanda took some time to learn how to hold the violin properly under her chin. Her L-E-F-T. Left. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. W-O-U-L-D. Wood. A-C-H-E. Ache. A-F-T-E-R. After. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E. Practice. Her left shoulder would ache after practice. Okay. Now come to question 3. How is the violin played? Now what you have to answer? कि violin कैसे play करते हैं? Very firstly, tell me what is a violin. It is a wooden stringed instrument. है कि नहीं? उसमें से strings होती है. So violin is a stringed wooden instrument. To play the violin play करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? The player has to draw the bow across the string. Yes. Suppose this is a violin, and if it is having a string, then what the player has to do? Player has to just take the bow across like this. Yes. So what are you going to write the answer? Violin is a stringed wooden instrument. To play the violin, the player has to draw the bow across the strings. Once again, H-O-W how, I-S is, T-H-E the, V-I-O-L-I-O-N. Violin. Students, look here. It is a mistake. So what is the spelling of violin? Can you tell me? What is the spelling? V-I-O-L-I-N. What is the spelling of violin? V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. How is the violin played? Answer. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin is a S-T-R-I-G-E-D. Stringed. W-O-O-D-E-N. Wooden. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T. Instrument. Violin is a stringed wooden instrument. To P-L-A-Y play the violin, the P-L-A-Y-E-R player has to D-R-A-W draw the bow, B-O-W bow across A-C-R-O-S-S across the S-T-R-I-N-G-S strings. To play the violin, the player has to draw the bow across the strings. Once again, how is the violin played? Violin is a stringed wooden instrument. To play the violin, the player has to draw the bow across the strings. Now come to number 4. What is the role of a violin player in an orchestra? Violin player. It means जो violin बजाते हैं उनका सबसे important काम क्या होता है orchestra में? What they have to do? Answer. The violin player provides melody to the entire orchestra. क्या काम है? To provide the melody. Once again, W-H-E-T. What is the R-O-L-E role of a violin P-L-A-Y-E-R player in an orchestra? O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A orchestra. What is the role of a violin player in an orchestra? Answer. The violin player P-L-A-Y-E-R player P-R-O-V-I-D-E-S provides M-E-L-O-D-Y melody to the E-N-T-I-R-E entire O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A orchestra. The violin player provides melody to the entire orchestra. So students, what you have to do is, you have to copy this question answers in your CW book. Remember to look each and every word properly. Write capitals where it is necessary. Okay. Bye bye and read along with the video.